Hey guys, is my audio okay? Yes, is my audio and screen visible for you? Yeah, I need responses, guys, from you. I need more responses from you. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for your responses. Okay. So what we are going to discuss today now? Till yesterday, what we have discussed? We discussed about aggregation, right? Yes. Can anyone say what is the relation we call it as aggregation? Anyone please say which type of relations is called aggregation? So how we can achieve it as a relation? Yes. So how we can achieve it aggregation? How we can achieve aggregation? Yes, by making a class as an attribute of another class. Yes. Okay. By two or more classes. Okay. So what we can achieve using aggregation? What is the main motto of aggregation? Why we use aggregation? Which means why we use aggregation? The reason for using aggregation, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Loose coupling. Okay, thank you. That was good answer. Yeah. Okay. Today we will be discussing about inheritance. Okay. Today we will be discussing about inheritance. Okay. Which is a relationship. Which is a relationship. Okay. So the simple definition for inheritance is a mechanism which which allows a class acquire the properties of the another class. Okay, inheritance means it is a mechanism which allows a class to acquire all the properties of another class. Okay, acquire all the properties of another class. Okay, so in inheritance we will be having is a relationship. Okay, in inheritance we will be having is a relationship. Okay, and main motto of our inheritance is code reusability. Okay, code reusability, so that we don't need to write the code again and again. Okay, her inheritance represents the inheritance represents the hierarchy. A hierarchy between two classes. Okay, which means object A. So here object A is an extension for object B. Okay, here object A becomes the extension for object B. Okay, so how we achieve this in our code? We say if there is a class person, okay, consider there is a class person, so he may contain his height. Okay, he will be having some weight. Okay, so this person, so to achieve this inheritance, we say class consider person named Ramu. Ramu extends person. Okay, here we use in this we can simply use the properties of the above class. Okay, okay, we can simply use the properties of another class. Okay, this is how we code in This is how we need to code. Okay. And if a person has some methods, okay, if a person has some methods, we can also inherit them. Okay. How we can do it? We can do it by saying void method name can be running. Okay, a person can run, right? We say here system dot out dot println, okay, run 5 kilometers. Okay. So how I can achieve this is, if I have a main class, say public static void main string args, and I can create the object for my Ramu. Okay. Now I can create object for Ramu is equals to new Ramu. Okay. And then I say system dot out dot println, sorry, I can say r dot running. Okay, here I haven't written any kind of method. Okay, see the difference. Here I haven't written, in Ramu's class I haven't written any kind of method. Okay, okay, but I have written a method in person class. This method can be extended to Ramu and can be used by R. Okay, Ramu. Okay, okay. This is how we code in inheritance. Okay. So, so in Java there are types of inheritances. Okay. So in Java there are types of inheritances. Let's see what are the types. Okay. See, in every programming language there are 5 types of inheritances. Okay. Single. First one is single inheritance. Okay. The next one is multiple inheritance. Okay. The third one is multi-level inheritance. Okay. The fourth one is hybrid inheritance. Okay. The fifth one is hierarchical inheritance. Okay. These are the five types of inheritances which can be followed. Okay. But whereas in Java, we only have type or three types of inheritances. Okay, in Java we only support three types of inheritances. Those are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, okay, and multi-level inheritance. Okay, and multi-level inheritances. These are only type of inheritances which are allowed in Java. Okay, let's see how a single inheritance looks like. Let's say class animal is equals to, or let's just see phone. Okay, going for it, let's just see phone as phone. It may have int color, right? In color, it may have some dimensions, right? Okay, so this can be achieved by saying class one plus. Okay, and I can achieve this by here. I can achieve for one plus. I will be having some more features. What are they? Int what? Just say camera. Okay, okay. After that camera, I will be having some string processor. Okay, and I will be having some string processor and string software, right? Okay, so even though I don't, so if I want to mention color of my phone, my OnePlus phone, I don't need to write here saying int color or int dimensions. Okay, I don't need to say them. I just need to say this while creating the object. I just need to use this where I just ext and ds extends phone Okay, I can call this while I am creating the objects. Okay, 1 plus say 11 or is equals to new 1 plus. Okay, okay, I can directly create these things. Okay, okay, I can directly create these things and I can simply print. Even or on the okay. So in this way we can achieve single inheritance. Okay. Yeah, someone is asking for audio. Is it clear, ma? What happened? Isn't it clear, guys? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay. This is how we achieve single level inheritance. Okay. This is how we can achieve single level inheritance. Okay. So when it comes to multiple inheritance, what we say here, or only 1 plus doesn't have color, right? Only 1 plus doesn't have a dimensions, right? You can say patient's phone. And we can also say here, just say, create the object. Just, just okay, let me just place it here before the main method. Okay, iPhone, iPhone, let's say 14 is equals to new iPhone. Okay, and I say 14 dot color is equals to red. Okay, and I say 14 dot is equals to 489. Okay, and I can also say 14 dot camera is equals to how many pixels? 12 pixels, right? Yes, and I can then use these things. Then saying 14 dot color . 14 dot camera. Okay, okay, this is called multiple inheritance where our phone class is extended. Yeah, just wait a second. Sorry. Just say there is a class called phone. Okay, we have a class called, let's say, okay. So after this we'll be having iPhone and we'll be having, okay. So here what happened is, so here what happened is our iPhone extended the properties of, took the properties of phone, and our OnePlus also took the properties of phone. Here two different objects, two different classes. Okay, two different classes got inherited the properties of a single class. Okay, so this is called multiple inheritance. Okay, this is called multiple inheritance. Okay, whereas when it comes to single inheritance, we say phone, iPhone extends phone. That's it. Single inheritance. Only a single class extends the properties of another class. Then we say it as single inheritance. Whereas two or more classes extends the properties of, acquires the properties of a single class or a parent class. We say it as multiple inheritance. So just remember one thing, guys. This is a parent class which extends. Class which is extended is called parent class. Okay, okay. The class which extends the, which is extended is called parent class. Okay, and the class which gets, which acquires the properties is called child class. Okay, Class which acquires the properties of a parent class is called child class. Okay, a parent class can have n number of child classes, but a child class can have only one parent class. Okay, yeah. Is it clear, guys? I think it is clear for you. Okay, yeah. And when it comes to multi-level inheritance, I'll be having another example for this one. Okay, just say there is a class. Class grandfather is having some properties such as in a color. Okay, and he also having in height. Okay, so these properties can be extended to the father, right? Class these properties can be extended to your father, right? Right? And our father can have some more properties which we can acquire. What are they? Just simply say string anger, right? Everyone gets the father's anger, right? And string, or just say hair color. Okay, okay. Or simply say baldness. These are the only two things everyone can achieve from their father. Okay, guaranteed things. Okay, so these can be extended by as grandchild. Okay, and this grandchild can have properties from his mother and father also. Just yes, he has some his own properties which are his weight. Okay, his showing behavior. Okay, Okay, these are all the things which can be achieved using from our sports. Okay, from our hires. Yeah. So if we create public static void arg main arg, so we can simply say grandchild blue is equals to new grandchild, and we say blue dot anger is equals to high, which is same as his father. Okay, and Bablu can get Bablu dot whatever grandfather has eye color or height, right? Height as his grandfather. Okay, and Bablu has his own weight, which is 75. Okay, and we can simply print them saying anger Bablu dot anger and Bablu dot height. Okay, and say system dot out dot println Bablu dot weight. Okay. Okay, this is called multi-level inheritance, where the properties of a class is achieved by another class, and those properties of the class can be achieved by one more class. Okay, this is called multi-level inheritance, where it looks like, say, okay, this is how the multi-level inheritance will work. Okay, Okay. Is it clear, guys? Give me some responses that you are active. Is it clear for you? Thank you. So we'll be seeing this in our code. Okay. Just we'll be moving to our code and we'll be seeing these things now. Okay. Let me just open my code base. Yes, yes, yes. I know. So, let me just create a project for you for day 9. Okay. So after this, we will be creating the package, right? Say form.cm or it dot inheritance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then we will be creating a class. What is the class name will be? This is single inheritance. Okay. So this is the main class we have and main method. Now let's just see the example of single level inheritance. Okay. So in Java, there are the things called packages, guys. Not like that. So as we see, let me just give you a summary about a small topic. Okay. So in Java, we can use the objects of another class, guys. Okay. How we can do it is by our import keyword. Okay. And write it above our package name. Okay. Is it above or right? I don't think so. Package, think import star from, yeah, it is above. Mhm. Let me just make it a scanner class. Okay, just say import. Yeah, this is below our package. Okay, so there is a import thing in Java. Okay, where we can import other classes. Okay, and now I can also import. See what we had discussed on Saturday. We have discussed about something called this is on the project, right? Let's leave the thing. Just say in our current project, we'll be creating another class saying uh, multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. Yeah, this one I can import this one here, saying import. Uh, say com dot cmrit dot inheritance dot says. Okay, in this way I can import other classes in our project. Okay. Okay, this is how we import another classes. I think, is it clear for you about this import statement? Is it clear for you about this import statement? Yes, guys, I need responses. Is it clear for you about the import statement? How can we import other classes? If not, I'll be doing it again. Please make it clear for me. No, sir. Okay, I'll be doing it again. See, whenever we want another classes in our single class, just say there is a class called scanner. Okay, there is a class called scanner. C is equals to new. What I have done here? What I have done here? Simply say what I have done here. What is the thing I have done here? Just simply say, yeah, that is far more thing. Just simply, I have created an object for scanner class. Yes or no? Taking input from user is far more away. Okay. And then now, what is the basic thing I have done here? The basic thing I have done here, I have created the object for a class called scanner. Okay, but do I have the class called scanner in my code? Just tell me, do I have the class called scanner in my code, in my project? No, right? But just see, let me just show you where it is. So as I got my libraries, okay, let me just make it bigger for you. Here somewhere else. Let's say import. Let me just import it. Java.util, right? Yeah. See, this is the package name to here, and this is the class name, guys. This one is a package name. Let's see where is this package. Okay. See, it will be here somewhere else. Okay. Dot util SQL SQL JDK transactions management compiler desktop right, security. Let me just okay, say it. Okay, let me just see it. Java dot SQL. These are all the drivers classes. Okay, where it will be. Let me grab it. Desktop. Form dot sun dot form dot java dot string dot. Yup, yup, yup. Not available here. Compiler. Java.lang here. Okay. For Java.base. Yeah. See, here we have the Java.util class, util package. See, is it clear for you? Can I know? Is it visible for you? I don't think so. How do I maximize this one? Hmm. is clear. Okay, if it is clear, then okay. Okay. So here, what I see is, see here, these are all the packages for me. Okay, and I will be having a package called java.util package. Okay, in this java.util package, I have these types of classes which ended with a extension called class. Okay, these type of classes. Okay, Java provides us pre-built classes. Where is a scanner class? Oh, here is a scanner class, guys. Okay, this one is a scanner class. Okay, so I just I have doesn't match input string what the, yeah, yeah. Okay, so in my project I have my library package of Java. In this package I will be having my Java base. Okay, in this I will be having my util package, java.util package. Okay, this util package contains my scanner class. Okay, so I just gathered the information of another package class in another package into my class. Okay, so how can I do it is, just say if I have a class called multiple inheritance, we'll do it by saying import keyword. Okay, import, and I will be having what is the uh, package name, com.cmrit dot inheritance, right? This is the package name, and then I will be saying dot, and then I will be saying uh, multiple inheritance. Okay, this is how I can import other classes in the same project. Okay, so this is very much used in our future lessons. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear now? Is it clear now, guys? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's just move towards our example where in single inheritance we'll be creating a class phone. We have string color and in height. Okay, and then we say class one place exchange. See, exchange is a keyword which is used to inherit another classes. Okay, okay, this is how we do it, and then we'll be saying string. Okay, we'll be saying string processor. So to achieve this one, we can say one place 11R is equals to mu 1 plus, and I can say 11R dot 11 token. Okay, won't accept it. Just say 11R. Okay, dot say color is equal to white. Okay, and I say dot processor is equals to Snapdragon 810. Okay, okay, this is how we achieve single level inheritance. Okay, I can simply say sys out of dot color and sys out 11 or dot processor. Okay, and if I save this one and if I try to print this one Java application, see I got my output here. See, I got my output here. Even though I haven't created an variable in my one place, but I have got to access a variable in phone with using inheritance. Okay, using inheritance. Okay, is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear about single level inheritance? Yes, yes. Okay, and then if I just simply create class iPhone, okay, and say I'll be having string processor and my iPhone extends phone. Okay, okay, I can also just create another object for my iPhone by saying iPhone 14 is equals to new iPhone. Okay, okay, and I say as 14 dot color is equals to lavender. Okay, and I can say 14 dot processor is equals to A15, right? And I can simply Sys O 14 dot color and Sys O 14 dot processor. Okay, and save it and run it. See, I have got my output. Okay, see, I have got my output where I haven't created the object for class phone. Okay, I haven't created the object for class phone, even though I got access to the object called the variables called colors. Okay, and here what happened here? We have created the two mobiles. We have created two mobiles. One is iPhone and another one is OnePlus to achieve multiple inheritance. Okay, to achieve multiple inheritance. Okay, is it clear for you about multiple inheritance? Okay, that's cool. So I think you guys are going to do about multi-level inheritance. Yes, I said how we are going to do it. Okay, so I think you guys are going to do multi-level inheritance. Can I get an example for it from your side? Can I get an example for it from your side? So let me just finish it for you. Okay, just say for multi-level inheritance will be simply multi-level, right? Okay, for this one we can create class R. Okay, R has some properties saying uh, int say number of fields. Okay, number of fields and say int number of doors. Okay, and our car class brand exchange car. Okay, here our brand has its brand name, string name. Okay, and our brand has some special properties or special features. Not only single example, do multiple examples. try to do multiple examples. Okay, just say simply afterwards using brand name, we'll be saying brand with string features, or say uh, what we say, what all the things we can have. String, of course, logo. Okay, logo. Just say logo. Okay, and we can also extend. Say if our brand is Volkswagen, we say Polo. Polo, it is expired. Extends brand. Okay, extends our class brand. Okay, here we say string X and int CC, engine CC. Okay, okay, we can do these things like this. Okay, we say just say let's create an object for Polo. Polo E1 is equals to new Polo. Okay, after that we'll say E1 dot engine, which is 1000 cc. Okay, and say P1 dot, okay, name, which is Volkswagen. Okay, and we can also say P1 dot number of wheels, which are 4. Okay, okay, we can achieve these things like this. Okay, and we say P1 dot engine cc, and say P1 dot name, and say P1 dot oh, number of fields, which are those over here, number of fields. Okay, save this one and run this one, run the Java application, and we got our output. This is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, this is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, this is about inheritance, guys, for today. Okay, we'll be discussing about more topics tomorrow. Okay, this is a class for the day, guys. Okay, is it clear for you? Is the class clear for you? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you.